Good morning, respected officers, teachers, and my lovely students. Welcome you all. I am Shri Asit Vyas from MHB English School, Malwani Malad, PN Ward. Students, we have learned in last lecture angles in a linear pair and solve practice set number 19. So today we are going to learn about vertically opposite angles, the property of vertically opposite angles, and we will solve practice set number 20. So let's start. Let's share the screen. The sides as line. Okay, if we consider the sides as line, then here we see two lines intersecting each other. Intersecting मतलब कि दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रही है. Okay? From this intersection, four angles are formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Yes? Let us express these as figure. As you can see here, line AB is intersecting line DC in point O, due to which four angles are being made here. One, which is in yellow color, 2 blue color, 3 yellow color, and 4 angle is in blue color. And their names, these angles names are angle AOD, angle AOD, which is angle 1 in yellow color, angle DOB, angle 2 in blue color, angle BOC, angle 3 in yellow color, and again angle COA, the fourth angle is in blue color. Let us talk about angle AOD, which is shown in red color line. This angle is composed of ray OA and ray OD. रे OA और रे OD से कौन सा एंगल बन रहा है? एंगल AOD. Yes? If we see here, ray OB is the opposite ray of ray OA. Opposite ray हमने सीखा हुआ है. Ray OB is the opposite ray of ray OA. वो straight line में ही होते हैं. Yes? And angle OC is the opposite ray of, yes, ray OD. Okay? So here the angle BOC is formed by opposite ray OB and ray OC, which is shown again in red color. So when two lines intersect, we have two pairs of opposite angles. They are called vertically opposite angles. Means दो लाइन्स एक दूसरे को जब इंटरसेक्ट करती है, एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करती है, तब हमें दो पेयर्स opposite angles के मिलते हैं. Here angle 1 and angle 3 are opposite angles, and also angle 4 and angle 2 are opposite angles. So they are called vertically opposite angles. इन angles को vertically opposite angles कहते हैं. Here angle AOD is vertically opposite angle of angle COB. Similarly, angle COA is vertically opposite to angle BOD. Understood? So, we'll now be able to find vertically opposite angle of angle COA. Yes, that is angle BOD. So, angle COA is vertically opposite angle to angle BOD. You must remember to recognize vertically opposite angles easily. We have to look in the vertically opposite direction. Vertically opposite direction में हमें देखना है. Okay? So, in figure 1, angle AOD is vertically opposite to angle BOC. Therefore, angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, in figure 2, angle COA is vertically opposite to angle BOD. Yes, therefore, these two angles, angle COA and angle BOD, are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles का स्पेलिंग क्या है? V है. आपको V शेप याद रखना है. V शेप में जो ऑपोजिट एंगल्स बन रहे हैं वो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स है, चाहे वो सीधा V हो या उल्टा V हो, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में V हो या राइट हैंड साइड में. ओके, वर्टिकली मीन्स V शेप. Okay, so here are some real life examples of vertically opposite angles. We see certain angles formed here. In scissors, these are vertically opposite angles and these are also vertically opposite angles. In this figure, these two are vertically opposite angles and these two are also vertically opposite angles. In danger sign also, these two angles are vertically opposite and these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. Clear? Now, let's look at the property of vertically opposite angles. Look at the vertically opposite angles shown in the figure. Angle AOD and angle BOC, which is in yellow color, are vertically opposite angles. And angle COA and angle BOD are also vertically opposite angles. Do they look equal? क्या ये इक्वल दिख रहे हैं? एंगल AOD equals to angle BOC and angle COA equals to angle BOD. Come, let's find out. We will find their measurements first. Okay? So for this, we will use the protractor. Measure angle AOD by properly placing the protractor. Yes? We will get the measurement of the angle AOD as 45 degree. Yes, here 45 degree. In the same way, if we find the measurement of angle BOC, then it will also come out to be 45 degree only. Yes, 45 degree, 45 degree. Similarly, if we find the measurement of angle COA, then we will get 135 degree. Angle COA equals to 135 degree, which will be equal to the measurement of angle BOD. Angle COA equals to angle BOD equals to 135 degree. COA एंगल 135 डिग्री का है, तो उसका जो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल है वो भी जो है BOD वो भी 135 डिग्री का ही है. This shows us that the measurement of two vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal in measurement. दो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल का मेजरमेंट सेम होता है. अगर एक एंगल 45 डिग्री का है तो उसके वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल का मेजरमेंट भी 45 डिग्री ही होगा. इफ वन एंगल इज 135 डिग्री, सो इट्स vertically opposite angles measurement is also 135 degree. Here angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles. So here angle AOD is 45 degree, then angle BOC is equal to 45 degree. Angle COA is 135 degree, so its vertically opposite angle BOD is also 135 degree. Okay, so in this way the measurement of vertically opposite angles formed by the intersection of two line, दो लाइन के इंटरसेक्शन से जो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स बनते हैं, their measurements are also similar. Let's prove it. As you all know, when we talk about two angles in a line, we talk about angles in a line, they are a linear pair. Yes, वो linear pair बन जाते हैं एक ही लाइन पे आने वाले दो एंगल्स. तो as you know, the total of measurement of the linear pair is, yes, 180 degree. So here angle AOD and angle DOB is in a linear pair. Yes. And their measurement is 180 degree. So angle AOD and angle DOB are in a linear pair. AOD and DOB are in a linear pair. Angle AOD and angle COA are also in a linear pair. Angle AOD and angle COA in blue color. Yes, they are also in a linear pair. And measurement of linear pair of angle is 180 degree. 180 because they are in a linear pair. Clear? From this understanding, we can write for the line AB, AB, angle AOD plus angle DOB equals to 180 degree. Angle AOD, that is 45 degree, and angle DOB is 135 degree. And if we add them, we will get 180 degree. Similarly, for the line CD, line C and D, angle AOD plus angle COA equals to 180 degree. AOD is 45 degree and angle COA is 135 degree. So 45 degree plus 135 degree equals to 180 degree because they are in linear pair. Name this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Here, if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we will get, अगर हमने इस इक्वेशन को इस इक्वेशन में से माइनस किया तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? एंगल AOD प्लस एंगल DOB. AOD and DOB is equal to 180 degree minus bracket opens angle AOD plus angle COA bracket closes is also 180 degree. So 180 minus 180 degree equals to 0. That is angle AOD plus angle DOB minus angle AOD minus angle COA equals to 0. Equation 1 minus equation 2 equals to 0. Because 180 minus 180 equals to 0. That is angle DOB minus angle COA equals to 0. The result of subtraction is only possible when angle DOB and angle COA are equal. ये कब पॉसिबल होगा? एंगल DOB माइनस एंगल COA इक्वल्स, जब वो दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे. एंगल DOB equals to angle COA. Here 135 degree, 135 degree. अगर ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है तो ही ये सब्ट्रैक्शन पॉसिबल है, तभी वो 0 आएगा. Yes? But if we see these two angles are vertically opposite to each other, लेकिन वो दोनों एंगल्स वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स होने चाहिए. दिस वेरीफाइज दैट द वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं और उनका मेजरमेंट भी इक्वल ही होता है. ओके, सो ये दो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स की इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है. So I hope you understand the concept of vertically opposite angles. That is, when two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles are formed. जब दो लाइन एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करती हो तब वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स बनते हैं. यस, हियर लाइन AB is intersecting line DC. 4 angles are formed, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So angle 1 is opposite to angle 3. Similarly, angle 2 is opposite to angle 4. So they are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal in measures also. Vertically opposite angles are equal and their measurements are also equal. Clear? So let's learn. In your textbook, page number 29. In the figure alongside, line PT and line RS intersect each other at point Q. Line P and T and line R and S are intersecting each other in point Q. Thus, four angles are formed. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four angles are formed. Angle PQR is formed by the rays QP and QR. एंगल PQR कैसे बना? एंगल PQR कैसे बन रहा है? रे QP और रे QR से. ओके, द रेज ऑपोजिट टू रे QP. रे QP का ऑपोजिट रे कौन सा है? यस, रे QT. एंड रे QR का ऑपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? रे QS. अब इनसे भी एक एंगल बन रहा है, दैट इज द ऑपोजिट रेज से एक और एंगल बन रहा है, एंगल SQT. यस, these opposite rays form the angle SQT. So hence angle SQT is called the opposite angle of angle PQR. Understood? Angle SQT is opposite angle to angle PQR. So now I know that the angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be its opposite angles. दो रे से एंगल बनता है और उसके ऑपोजिट रे से बना हुआ एंगल उसका ऑपोजिट एंगल होता है. Now that we have learned about opposite angles, now let's learn about the property of vertically opposite angles. So let's do an activity. In your textbook, page number 30. Students, you can write answer in a chat box. Okay, look at the figure. Name the angle opposite to angle PQS. एंगल PQS, उसका ऑपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? यस, एंगल RQT. Yes. Now let us assume the measure of these angles by denoting them alphabet. यहाँ एंगल का मेजरमेंट हम अल्फाबेट लेके करेंगे. ओके, सो एंगल A, B, C and D. So let's see, as shown in the figure, measures angle PQS equals to A. Angle PQS equals to A. Angle SQT equals to B. Angle SQT equals to B. Angle TQR equals to C. Angle TQR equals to C. And angle TQR, angle measure of angle PQR equals to D. PQR equals to D. ओके, सो हमने एंगल्स के मेजरमेंट को अल्फाबेट के नाम से अज्यूम किया. वी जस्ट अज्यूमिंग दिस मेजर्स ऑफ दिस एंगल्स विथ सम अल्फाबेट. नाउ एंगल PQS and angle SQT are the angles in a linear pair. Angle PQS is denoted by alphabet A and angle SQT whose measurement is B. So angle PQS and angle SQT in a linear pair. ये देखो मैंने रेड कलर से आपको दिखाया है, लीनियर पेयर में है. Yes, they are on the straight line PT. Angle A and angle B are in a linear pair. Yes, so using the property of angles in linear pair, what can we write? Therefore, A plus B equals to 180 degree. लीनियर पेयर के दो एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री. So we know angles in linear pair sums up to 180 degree. Okay, so similarly we can write that angle SQT and measure of angle TQR are two angles in linear pair. They are also two angles in a linear pair. Angle SQT and angle TQR here in green color. Angle SQT is angle B and angle TQR is C. So angle B and angle C are also in a linear pair. Yes, they are. Angle B and angle C are in a linear pair. Therefore, B plus C equals to 180 degree. Just as A plus B equals to 80 degree, B plus C equals to 180 degree. Because they are also in a linear pair. Angle A and angle B linear pair है और उसका सम 180 डिग्री होता है. सेम वे एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी आर ऑल्सो इन अ लीनियर पेयर, तो उनका भी मेजरमेंट का सम 180 ही होगा. नाउ वी विल राइट इक्वेशन. Therefore A plus B equals to B plus C. How did we get that? ये हमें कैसे मिला? Because both are equal to 180 degree. A plus B equals to 180 degree. B plus C equals to 180 degree. Right? When right hand side are equal, you can write left hand side are also equals to each other. So B will be subtracted from both the sides. Remember elimination? Yes. So B is subtracted from both the sides. So what remains is, therefore A equals to C. B को दोनों साइड से अगर हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे A एंड राइट हैंड साइड पे C. So look in the figure now. A equals to C. That opposite angles are equal. Yes. Therefore, angle PQS and angle TQR are congruent angles. Angle PQS and angle TQR are congruent. Congruent means equal. एक जैसे. Okay. Similarly, which two angles are congruent? Yes. और कौन से angles equal है? Congruent है? Measure of angle PQS, measure of angle PQR equals to measure of angle SQT. Measure of angle PQR equals to measure of angle SQT. That is angle D is equals to angle B. Why? Because they are also congruent angles, means they are also equal. Yes, they are also vertically equal angles. So this is the property of vertically opposite angles. What do you know now? Now I know the vertically opposite angles formed when two lines intersect are of equal measure. जब दो लाइंस एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करती है, मतलब कि क्रॉस करती है, तब जो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स बनते हैं उनका मेजर भी इक्वल ही होता है. सो रिमेंबर, व्हेन यू सी टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस, जब दो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस दिखे, द ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, आर इक्वल. तो ऑपोजिट एंगल हमेशा कॉन्ग्रुएंट मीन्स की इक्वल होते हैं. सो दिस प्रॉपर्टी वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 20. Question 1 is lines AC and BD intersect at point P. Line AC and line BD are intersecting in point P. Measure of angle APD equals to 47 degree. APD is 47 degree. Find the measures of angle APB, angle BPC and angle CPD. APB, BPC and CPD. One angle is given here and other three angles, remaining three angles, we have to find the measures of them. एक एंगल दिया है, उसका मेजरमेंट दिया है और तीन एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट हमें फाइंड करना है. कैन वी डू दैट? यस. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए पी बी using the property of angles in a linear pair. Angle APD and angle APB are in a linear pair. Yes. तो पहले हम एंगल APB जो लीनियर पेयर में है उसका मेजरमेंट फाइंड करेंगे. देन वी विल फाइंड द रिमेनिंग टू एंगल्स बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. फिर हम बाकी के दो एंगल को प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल की हेल्प से फाइंड करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. इन द गिवन फिगर एंगल DPA प्लस एंगल APB equals to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair of angles. Angle DPA plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. क्योंकि वो linear pair में है. Yes. So now substitute the value of angle DPA. What is the value of angle DPA? 47 degree. So instead of writing angle DPA, we will write 47 degree plus angle APB equals to 180 degree. Yes, why 180 degree? क्योंकि ये दोनों एंगल्स लीनियर पेयर में है और लीनियर पेयर का सम जो होता है वो 180 डिग्री होता है. नाउ प्लस 47 इफ गोज टू राइट हैंड साइड क्या हो जाएगा? यस, -47. देयरफॉर एंगल APB इक्वल्स टू 180 minus 47 प्लस राइट हैंड साइड में गया तो वो माइनस हो गया. सो 180 minus 47 equals to 133 degree. Yes. So we got angle APB equals to 133 degree. So here angle APB is 133 degree. If we add both of them, 47 plus 133 equals to, yes, 180 degree. Now, the measurements of remaining two angles. So look at the working. Now angle APD equals to angle BPC equals to 47 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Angle APD equals to angle BPC. This angle is 47 degree. Then this angle is also 47 degree because of the property of vertically opposite angles. Yes. Angle APB, we found out the measure about, and now we can write angle APB equals to angle DPC equals to 133 degree. Also the reason is vertically opposite angle. हमने APB का एंगल ढूंढा 133 डिग्री, तो उसका वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल क्या है? एंगल DPC. अगर ये एंगल 133 डिग्री है तो ये एंगल भी कितना होगा? यस, 133 डिग्री. यहाँ पे हमने क्या यूज किया? प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल को यूज किया. Hence, our answer is the measures of angle APB is 133 degree. APB is 133 degree. Angle BPC is 47 degree. BPC is 47 degree. And angle CPD is again 133 degree. So this way we have completed our first sum. समझ में आया ना? Now let's go to question number 2. Look at the figure. Line PQ and line RS, you can see, are intersecting each other in point M. And measure of angle PMR equals to x degree. मेजरमेंट नंबर में नहीं लेकिन अल्फाबेट में दिया है. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द मेजर्स ऑफ एंगल PMS, एंगल SMQ एंड एंगल QMR. सेम लाइक द फर्स्ट सम, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रिमेनिंग 3 एंगल्स मेजर्स. बट हियर वी डोंट हैव measure in number, but we have in alphabet. So we are going to make use of these alphabet X to find out the remaining measures. Okay. So what we are going to use first property? Yes, linear pair of angles की property use करेंगे. First angle PMS we will find by using property of angles in linear pair, and then the remaining 2 angles using vertically opposite angles property. पहले हम linear pair की property use करके angle PMS को find करेंगे. Then we will use vertically opposite angles and find the other 2 remaining measurements. So have a look at the solution. The figure is shown alongside in the answer. Students, when you are answering the question in exam or any time, if you draw rough figure, it will help you to solve the question step by step and easily. अगर आपने rough figure draw कर लिया ना बच्चों, तो आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन का आंसर स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखने में बहुत ही इजी जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज ड्रॉ रफ डायग्राम. ये मैं पहले लेक्चर से आपको बोल रही हूं, है ना. सो लुक एट इन द सॉल्यूशन. इन द फिगर एंगल RMP प्लस एंगल PMS equals to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair of angles. So now substitute the value of angle RMP. RMP की value क्या है? X degree. So we will write X degree plus angle PMS equals to 180 degree, क्योंकि ये दोनों linear pair में है. So angle PMS equals to 180 minus x degree. So we got angle PMS as 180 minus x. So let's find their measures. अब यहाँ पर पहला एंगल हमको दिया हुआ है x डिग्री, हमने फाइंड किया एंगल PMS को 180 minus x degree. Yes, now we will find these two angles. Now angle PMR equals to angle SMQ equals to x degree. PMR equals to SMQ because reason is vertically opposite angles. This angle is x degree, then this angle is also measures x degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Same way, angle PMS equals to angle RMQ equals to 180 minus x degree. ये हमने ढूंढा 180 minus x degree. सो उसका वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? एंगल RMQ. तो उसका मेजरमेंट भी क्या होगा? 180 minus x degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Hence, the measures of angle PMS is 180 minus x degree. Measure of angle SMQ is x degree. And angle QMR equals to 180 minus x degree. Okay, so this way we have finished with question number 2 and practice set number 20 also. So I hope you all understand the concept of vertically opposite angles and how to find the measurement of it. So here are the real life examples of vertically opposite angles. In the fan, these two angles are vertically opposite angles and these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. In the scissors, these two angles are vertically opposite and these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. In this figure, these two angles are vertically opposite and these two are also vertically opposite angles. If we intersect two pencils, दो पेंसिल को ऐसे क्रॉस में रखेंगे, we will get 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. So angle 1 is opposite to angle 3 and angle 2 is vertically opposite to angle 4. We will get this vertically opposite angles pairs in our real life example also. So now it's time to test yourself. Yes, children? So find the size of the missing angles. So children, you have to find the size of missing angle. इसमें फिगर A और फिगर C में मेजरमेंट ऑफ Y ढूंढना है जो वर्टिकली एंगल्स है. देखो ध्यान से. एंड इन फिगर B एंड फिगर D एंगल Z का लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल का मेजरमेंट फाइंड करना है. यस, so be careful while answering. And yes, who know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay, children? Now, the first question is 65 degrees given and you have to find the angle of Y. So, who will answer? Rohan? Zaid? Amima? Yes, Zaid? Amima? Anybody else? 65 डिग्री का वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल कौन सा होगा?
Y is
Yes,
equal to 65 degree.
yes, y equals to 65 degree. Why?
Y is equal to 65 degree because vertically opposite angle.
Very good, Amima. Very good. Y is
65
equal
ही
to
आएगा.
65. Very good. 65 ही आएगा. Very good. Now move to figure B. 70 degree is given. You have to find angle Z. Ritik, Zakir, Gufran. Okay, Gufran, tell me.
Hundred and 10 degree because
Yes.
linear of pair angle.
Okay, linear pair of angles. Yes, 110 degree. Here 70 degree plus 110 degree equals to 180 degree because they are in a linear pair. Very good, Gufran. Very good. So, our next question is 155 degree is given. Then what is the measure of angle Y?
150
Yes,
degree.
150 degree.
155 degree. 155 degree.
Yes, 155
55 degree.
degree. Very good. Very good. So our last question is 125 degrees given. You have to find the measure of angle Z. Measure of angle Z.
125 degree.
Angle Z is equal to 55 degree because linear pairs of angles.
Very good, Hamid. Very good.
Thank teacher.
Yes, very good. 55 degree because they are linear pair of angles. Yes. Did you enjoy this lecture?
हाँ teacher.
और समझ में भी आया सबको?
Opposite angle.
Very good. So,
Yes, miss.
so our today's
Yes,
lecture
miss.
is over. आपका homework है complete practice set number 20 and send it in your school's group. Okay? So, meet you on next Monday. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and keep learning. So, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.